Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add an image to a blog post on Blogger. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.blogger.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the new post. We have the post, stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. In the top right corner, we have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add an image to a blog post on Blogger. So first of all, you need to go and create your new post. Or if you have one, it will be in these post tabs here and you can just click on it. Now here you can do whatever you want. You can type your text, modify your text or anything. But now let's see how you can actually go and add an image. So for doing that, you need to go on this here. So we have the image icon here where you need to click on. And here you can go and choose upload from your computer, photos, Blogger, or by URL. Choose any of these options, put a picture here, and you will have your picture inside. Then you can, of course, continue putting your text and everything. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.